What if the secret to sleeping better tonight isn't an expensive mattress or a fancy sleep gadget, but a simple houseplant? Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, breathing cleaner air, and transforming your bedroom into a peaceful green sanctuary. Some indoor plants don't just look beautiful. They can help remove certain indoor air pollutants, add humidity, and create a more relaxing environment that supports better sleep. While no plant is a magic air purifier, choosing the right ones can make your bedroom feel fresher and more calming. Today, we're counting down 8 smart plants that can help improve your bedroom environment while adding natural beauty to your home. Stay until the end, because our final plant is one of the easiest to care for and has become a favorite for bedrooms around the world. 1. Snake plant, the nighttime oxygen champion. The snake plant is one of the most recommended bedroom plants because it's incredibly hardy and thrives even if you're a beginner. Unlike many plants, it continues a special form of gas exchange at night, making it popular for bedrooms. While its impact on room oxygen levels is modest, its upright leaves and clean appearance instantly make any bedroom feel fresh and relaxing. Snake plants tolerate low light, survive occasional mist watering, and rarely suffer from pests. Place one in a bright corner or beside your bed, where it receives indirect sunlight. Water only when the soil becomes completely dry, because overwatering is its biggest enemy. Its architectural leaves also complement modern, minimalist, or cozy bedroom designs, making it both practical and beautiful. 2. Peace lily, elegant beauty with cleaner air. The peace lily combines elegance with functionality. Its glossy green leaves and graceful white flowers instantly brighten a bedroom while adding a sense of calm. Peace lilies can also increase indoor humidity through natural transpiration, which may help reduce dry air discomfort. Keep it in bright, indirect light and water when the top inch of soil feels dry. The plant will even let you know when it needs water by gently drooping its leaves before quickly recovering after watering. Wipe dust from the leaves occasionally so they stay healthy and continue growing vigorously. With proper care, a peace lily rewards you with stunning blooms while making your bedroom feel like a peaceful indoor retreat. 3. Aloe Vera, nature's bedroom companion. Most people know aloe vera for soothing skin, but it's also an attractive bedroom plant that's remarkably easy to maintain. Its thick, succulent leaves store water, making it perfect for busy people who sometimes forget to water. Aloe vera enjoys a sunny windowsill with several hours of bright light each day. Allow the soil to dry completely before watering again. Besides adding greenery, aloe vera creates a clean, modern look that fits almost any decor style. If you accidentally burn yourself while cooking, you can even use the fresh gel inside mature leaves for minor skin soothing. Healthy aloe vera plants multiply over time by producing small offsets that you can separate and grow into new plants. 4. Spider plant, the beginner-friendly air freshener. Spider plants are famous for their arching green leaves, decorated with white stripes, creating a lively waterfall effect in hanging baskets or decorative pots. They're among the easiest houseplants to grow because they tolerate different lighting conditions and recover quickly from minor mistakes. Spider plants naturally produce baby plantlets that hang gracefully from long stems, giving you endless opportunities to propagate new plants for your home or friends. Keep the soil lightly moist, but avoid letting it stay soggy. Bright, indirect sunlight encourages faster growth, although they can also survive in lower light. Their cheerful appearance brings life to any bedroom while requiring very little maintenance throughout the year. 5. English ivy, a cascading green accent. English ivy adds elegance by trailing beautifully from shelves, hanging baskets, or tall plant stands. Its cascading vines soften bedroom corners and create a relaxing natural atmosphere. It grows best in bright, indirect light with evenly moist soil, although it doesn't appreciate constantly wet roots. Regular trimming keeps the vines full and attractive while encouraging fresh growth. Rotate the pot every few weeks so every side receives enough light. With patience, English ivy can become a stunning focal point that transforms plain walls into lush green displays. Its timeless appearance has made it a favorite indoor decorative plant for generations, especially in bedrooms seeking a cozy botanical feel. 6. Lavender relaxing fragrance for peaceful nights. Lavender is cherished around the world for its naturally calming fragrance. Keeping a healthy potted lavender near a sunny bedroom window allows you to enjoy its pleasant scent whenever you brush against the flowers. Lavender requires plenty of sunlight, excellent drainage, and careful watering to prevent root rot. Unlike many tropical houseplants, it prefers slightly drier conditions. Its beautiful purple blooms add both color and elegance while creating a spa-like atmosphere. Even when it's not flowering, its silvery green foliage remains attractive throughout the year. If your bedroom receives enough sunlight, lavender can become both a decorative centerpiece and a wonderfully aromatic companion. 7. Golden Pothos, nearly impossible to kill. Golden Pothos is one of the toughest houseplants you can own, making it ideal for beginners. Its heart-shaped leaves feature beautiful splashes of green and golden yellow that brighten almost any bedroom. It adapts to various lighting conditions, though bright, indirect light keeps the variegation vibrant. Water when the soil feels dry an inch below the surface, and avoid leaving excess water in the pot. Pothos vines grow quickly and can be trained along shelves, walls, or hanging baskets for dramatic visual impact. Regular pruning encourages fuller growth, and stem cuttings root easily in water, allowing you to create new plants with almost no effort. 8. ZZ plant, the ultimate low-maintenance bedroom plant. The ZZ plant is the perfect choice for anyone wanting maximum beauty with minimal effort. Its glossy, dark green leaves naturally reflect light, giving your bedroom an elegant, polished appearance. The plant stores water in thick, underground rhizomes, allowing it to survive weeks without watering. It tolerates low light remarkably well, making it ideal for bedrooms that don't receive abundant sunshine. Simply water when the soil has dried completely, and avoid overwatering. The ZZ plant grows slowly but steadily, rewarding patient owners with lush, healthy foliage for many years. Few plants combine durability, sophistication, and beginner-friendly care as successfully as the dependable ZZ plant. Now you know 8 amazing bedroom plants that can help create a fresher, greener, and more relaxing place to rest. Remember, while houseplants contribute to a pleasant indoor environment, they aren't a replacement for good ventilation, regular cleaning, and healthy sleep habits. Choosing even 1 or 2 of these beautiful plants can completely transform the atmosphere of your bedroom while bringing nature closer to your everyday life. Which one is your favorite? The elegant peace lily, the resilient snake plant, or the nearly indestructible ZZ plant? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more indoor plant tips, gardening secrets, and home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.